Hi guys, this is Trevor. Today we are making banana bread, one of our favorite dessert. It's very easy and quick. Let's get started. Remember to save a little bit butter for later. Through my experience, the light brown sugar works best with the banana bread, but if you don't have light brown sugar, you can also use half white sugar and half dark brown sugar. Also save a little bit for later. Here you really need to beat them well. It takes about 3 minutes. Here is half a cup pecan. I find it unnecessary to roast them. And half a cup craisin, which is dried cranberries. Believe me, this actually makes a big difference of the taste. Use your hands to break the pecan. I put the baking powder and the baking soda in the wet ingredient first. I find it easier to mix them well. Also, when we add our flour, we don't want to overmix our dough. Again, do not overwork with your dough here. We want our banana bread to sort of like a cake texture. Even though at the end we have a little bit dry flour in the mix, that is okay. Actually, that is what we want. Here we use some of the leftover butter to grease our pan. Then we will use some extra pecan to do a design here. We did TR, which is the initials of our channel. But you can be creative here. For example, it could be the initials of your loved ones. Sprinkle the leftover sugar on the top. Pour the leftover butter on the top as well. Loosely cover this up. This will help our banana bread from getting too dry. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Put the rack in the middle, and then put our banana bread in to bake for 1 hour first. 1 hour later, remove the cover and then bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Leave the bread in the pan to cool down for about 20 minutes and then take it out to further cool down. But remember, the bread tastes the best when it is still warm. Our banana bread is crusty on the outside, but really tender and soft on the inside. You can also see the small bubbles are evenly spread. That's because we mix the baking soda and the baking powder really well with the ingredients. Trust me, this will be the best banana bread you ever had. The pecan, especially the crescent, really makes a big difference. You can also see how soft it is. It's almost like a cake. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time.